Yes, you can install DIY solar. The reason that you may need an electrician is because of building and planning regulations. You may have to run an extra circuit in, and a new circuit requires you to have that installed. Now, you can go through your local building regulations office, or you can go through a normal fully qualified electrician and ask them to put in a AC isolator new circuit. So basically what they'll do is, if you've got room in your consumer unit, they'll put a fuse there, they'll run a cable out to another AC isolator, which will be where your inverter plugs in. These are quick and simple to do, depending on where you've got it. Don't forget, you must make sure that you select your inverter first, so you know what current will be going through, so you have the right cable and the right fuse.